This is the recap after resetting the account. So we've picked up 16791 here, and it was somewhat difficult. We went with the trend. Oh, looks like we're going to get down to the 73s. We went with the trend. We didn't like the price action, exited for a loss several times. Through here, went into a bit of a drawdown. Eventually, we actually picked up a trade that did work. We went long, and it was a continuation after a pullback, and we picked up 28,750, which offset these losses that we had here. Lost about 5 twice there. Very small losses, so I was quite happy with that. The fact that I had small losses. Picked it up through here. I think through here I was doing shorting. I was shorting the backside, so that's what I consider it. Price came down to this level. Went short. Closed it for a loss here. Lost 7.5. Went short again. Stopped out because I trailed my stop down. What happened was I trailed my stop down because I thought the prices would hit the stop. The funny thing is, price came up to the stop. Actually would have hit the stop. Came up to it perfectly, 89.50, and then he started to come back. So because he started to come back, again just went short, took profits. And the reason I took profits because prices were retracing. Took profits, went short again on prices retracing, and decided to take profit around about the this level here, where the market seemed to have held. Came down, had a pullback, came down, had a pullback, so decided to take profit there. Did that with NQ as well. So we're using ES as a leader for the trade to get into NQ, and closed NQ when ES came down to that profit target I was looking at, down at 79.25, 79.50, somewhere around there. On gold, went for a continuation again, pullback, looking for that continuation. First trade close to break even. Didn't like the way it was moving. Didn't like the price action. Went long again. Had a tight stop. Lost six there. So lost 500. Lost 6,000 right there. Again, was pretty happy with this because of the tight stop. And with the NQ trade, let's see, the first NQ trade. First NQ trade closed it early, but it would have been a stop out anyway. So lost 15 to 50 there. This was looking for continuation the early part of the day with ES. Wasn't really confident, to be honest, because I didn't like the fact that we came up to these highs and these highs were proving difficult. So I thought we could see a bit of a roll. Was away from the charts. I don't think I completely recorded. I didn't completely record the ES trade as well because my battery died and wasn't at the charts. With NQ, so we had the loser 15,250, came in looking for the backside continuation, went short, prices rallied to the upside, thought I'd get out to save some of the profits here. Price didn't actually get to the stop, which was at 55. We got as high as about 51, 52, I believe. Got to 52, so within 2 points of the stop. That would have been wouldn't have felt good about that. So exited early, and that's what I want to try and do now. Be better in terms of the trade management. In hindsight, here price came down to that target and hit it pretty much perfectly down at the 74.50s. I believe around at 74.50, 74.25. Got all the way down to 74, and we're seeing buyers here, but decided to exit because I didn't like how much the price was retracing. And this final trade, we picked up 18.5. Well, final two trades, 18.5. That was based on a setup on ES. And because we're trading in correlation with one another, that's the reason I took that trade. The re-entry, same justification. Trading correlation with one another. So I was using ES as a leader. And finally exited 19.5. So that 18.5 plus 19.5 took us back positive. Previously we're down minus 34. Managed to dig ourselves out of a hole, and that's where we've ended up. I'll get the trade performance up just to, hold on, where is the trade performance tab? Yeah, there it is. So on the trade performance tab, we can see here it's not the best equity curve, very volatile. As you can see, we drew down to minus 24, rallied positive minus 3, went all the way back negative 34, and we're finally going to end the day here up at 16,791. Began trading at about 12 Eastern Standard Time. This is the first entry. That's when we got to the charts because of our job. And our most recent trade, we can see there was about 3:16 Eastern Standard Time based on the entry time. So that's pretty much it. If we have a look at the summary, slightly positive profit factor, reduced accuracy, but I would expect that with the tighter stops I'm holding. So I had the reduced accuracy, average winner being bigger than the average loser, largest win bigger than the largest loss. And that's pretty much it. So that wraps up the first couple of trades here on the reset account. Of course, I'm going to try and do things a little bit differently than I have in the past, with the hope of improving. So with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.